G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's February 9, 2024. This is the German DAX update. Haven't done one of these for a while. So just in terms of the DAX, in terms of the other global markets, we're long-term bullish, but in the short term, and in the hourly chart at least, we're in a short-term bearish outlook for the moment. And do watch for that bearish divergence on the bigger time frame, so we may see a bit of a pullback anytime soon. So what we have here is the weekly, daily and hourly charts, and at the bottom here on the weekly we've got the ADX 25 that's showing a bullish trend, the CCI 400. We use this to help support the ADX, and it's the CCI 400 showing a bullish momentum as well. It's above its moving average. But notice on the CCI 150 we use this as a divergence indicator. We've had a couple of divergence back here between those first lower highs, between those higher highs on the price, and that the price fell off. And second level now currently in play is this second level divergence, and we haven't seen a retrace yet. So long as that CCI remains lower than that entry point back here, then we're going to still consider that a bearish divergence versus higher highs on the price. On the daily chart, likewise the ADX is showing bullish momentum. The CCI 400 is also bullish, and again another bearish trend here between those little highs there. And by the way, these divergences are not necessarily correlated. In other words, if you see a divergence on the weekly doesn't mean you're necessarily going to see it on the daily and so on. They're all independent on the various time frames. So at the moment we've got a bearish divergence as well on the daily, and that's still in play, no pullback yet. On the hour chart we've got a slight negative or a bearish trend on the ADX, also bearish on the CCI 400, and you'll notice here again within those lower highs we've got a bearish divergence versus the higher highs on the price, and you see there that resistance hasn't been broken yet, and it's starting to weaken with a lower high already put in place there. So as long as the CCI remains below that entry point, we're going to still consider that a bearish divergence. Now, as well as a trading idea for you, I'm going to put in a zero lag indicator on the daily chart, and again only trading in a direction when it goes long. So you can see here when it's going long on the ADX, supported by the CCI 400. When it's going long, we only use a buy signal to buy those. So as you can see there with these, it's a bit hard to read there, but there you go. When the zero lag breaks to the upside, you buy, and you close it out when it starts turning down below the zero lag line. Buy it again when it breaks above, and you close it when it breaks below. Buy it, it would have been a false break. Sell it, and then buy it. In this case, you could have actually used a stop loss, or you could have averaged down and actually doubled up on your buy positions and closed it out there with those two positions with a little gain. That would have been a nice little gain as well. So just a trading idea for your reference. So just a bit of an economic outlook for the German DAX. We've got recent gains were driven by positive earnings reports and hopes for easing energy concerns. However, ongoing geopolitical tensions and fears of a wider European recession keep investor sentiment fragile. Key factors to watch: the Eurozone inflation. Continued high inflation could trigger further tightening from the European Central Bank, impacting stock prices. Geopolitical developments, escalating tensions with Russia or other unforeseen events could trigger volatility. And corporate earnings. Upcoming reports from key German companies will influence sector performance. So again, just a quick overview of the German DAX for you. Long term we're still bullish, but however in the short term we may see a bit of a pullback, and it's currently slightly bearish on the lower time frames. Watch for those bearish divergences playing out. If you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.